What's going on, everybody? Brian Mann here, hands-on auto training. I have a tech tip today for you for Witech software. Now, this is going to be an excerpt of a larger, about a 10-minute video. I put a whole overview of Witech on this subscription site, the membership site. Now, I want to tell you, I think this is so important because I want to share this tip. It can be really useful in a lot of scenarios. So, as technicians, so many times we get caught up in a day-to-day grind. We don't have the time to go out there and try to learn all the features and benefits of software. That's how it is with Picoscope for many technicians. They have this great software, but they just barely know how to poke around there. They don't realize a lot of the other features and functions of the tool. And the same goes for Witech here. So I'm going to show you probably a couple tips here. And these, like I said, are parts of the membership site. If you're not a member, please do think about that. It's $10 a month for the core, and there's a lot of good information up there. So let's go. We'll unclick that. The next button over, which looks like a PDF button, this is a great resource right here. You click on this and it comes up with all this information that we can make on the vehicle. I don't really mess with the custom report much. I usually just use a standard report, and I click on Vehicle Scan Report and click on Create PDF. This makes a great printable page for your customer. Super easy to do, but it gives you all the information about the vehicle, the calibration numbers for the different modules, a lot of stuff, and also gives you all the DTCs all listed in one spot. One other thing here, they have this little heartbeat. This is showing us how long the data takes to update, which is, it's taking 7/10 of a second for this data to update, okay? If we want to make this time faster, we just go ahead and use the checkbox to select a smaller amount of data. We can filter our selections. Now we're at 1/10 of a second is our update. Let's say I wanted to search for my voltage. I want to monitor my voltage for the power supply on this. I typed in voltage over here. I can hit this button and I can add this to my vehicle list. Add it to vehicle data. Okay, so I'm going to hit close. And let's pretend we wanted to watch the supply voltage, say at or tip them or something. Let's just say about that. I mean, I'm kind of grasping here to give an example. Let's go to our 20 graded power module, and I'm going to also search for voltage again. And I think it was already up there. I didn't realize that. Let's just take a look at all of our battery voltages in our TIP'em. Okay, now I'm going to add these to our vehicle data. We added them. Now I'm going to hit, we can just from here click on the data list. Now here we're watching the data list from multiple modules. So there you have it. It can be very useful to actually be able to watch multiple data PIDs or even graph multiple data PIDs from multiple modules at the same time. One of the instances I run into this being handy is when I have no crank situations on Chryslers. A lot of times I'll like to see the WCM data, PCM data, and TIP'em data all at the same time. This can be very useful and come in handy. So if this is new to you, please let me know in the comments if you think you'll use it. If you have Witech, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I always try and help people out on YouTube. I do put more energy and effort towards the subscription site. Like I said, it's $10 a month. Go check it out. You guys have a great day. I appreciate you watching.